Hello. I am going to do a tutorial on how to change the wording on one of my cards to something simple like just hello or hello friend or anything generic that you would like to do. I'm okay with this being done. A lot of artists don't like that, but I'm perfectly fine with it. So to get started, let's go to photopea.com. It's a free app, or you can go to Canva, any graphics program that you're comfortable with. But for now, I'm using photopea.com because it's free and you can use it anywhere on your phone, your tablet, or your computer. Okay, so to get started, I've opened one of my cards, and let's say that I'm really not feeling the sentiment today, and I'd like to start with something different. So we want to go over here to the left into the toolbar, and this is called the eyedropper tool. It's very important to use this because not all whites are equal. And that would be the same. Like if this was on a yellow background, it's going to pick it up. And so you just click right here into the white like I did. You got your tool, click, and now it's the same. So we want to go over here and grab our brush tool, and then we will erase it. Now you can make that a little bit bigger. Right here is where you can enlarge it. You don't want it too big, but you definitely don't want it smaller. It's just going to take you forever to white it out. And that's what I call whiting out the text. Now you want to come and create a new layer. And so we'll go up to layer, new, whoopsie, layer, new, and we want to go on to the left toolbar, and that's your type tool. So you want to click that so that it's highlighted. You'll want to come down here and change your color to whatever you prefer. You could do blue, green, black. I'm going to use black. Click OK. And we're on the tool. It's the type tool. We'll click here, and then we just write hello. And if you highlight this, if you let's see if I can get on it and highlight it. And if you click out, I don't know, in Photoshop, if you're not on it, it pops out. But here in Photopea, you should just be able to click and then drag with your mouse and highlight it. Once it's highlighted, you can go over here, and this has a list of all the different fonts. And when it's highlighted, and if you choose a font, it shows you the preview of what it's going to look like before you select it, which is a lot of fun. Whoops. And then it just disappears. Got to be faster, I guess. It timed out. So it's just really that simple. And then if you click the check mark up there to save it, if you want to resize it, you can come up, do the selection tool, go to edit, transform, and click scale. And then you just pull the corner to drag it. And then you have this nice huge hello. Click the check mark. Then you'll want to go up to file and click file. And then save it as a PSD if you want to go back in and easily change your wording again. Or if this is a one and done, then you just want to export as, save it as a PNG, and then you have your new card. Okay, I hope this helped everybody.